What's up guys, welcome back to another day, another video. We're going to a Cars and Coffee today. The group that's running it is called Southwest Retros, so there should be some really cool cars there. Last time there was some like mint condition Escorts. There's even been some American stuff, some Mustangs, some Challengers. You know, there's been some rat rod stuff that's really cool. So it's a different sort of cars that's normally on the channel, but you know, I like anything that's got wheels and a motor. So yeah, we're going to have a nice cruise down there. It's Easter Sunday today, it's really nice weather. Going to get some cars and coffee. It's at the Boho Bakery, and I've never been there. Looking on their website, the food they do is so good, so I'm going to absolutely indulge on that. And I'm missing some good food after our holiday the other week on that cruise ship. Oh, the cruise ship spoils you. It's like 5-star food every night, and then coming back and then you got to cook all your own food and then it doesn't taste as good. It's just it's a bit miserable. So yeah, I want to go back on a cruise, and hopefully this bakery will help. So yeah, let's head down there, and some GTR noises for the morning to wake all the neighbours up. GTR is just a cheap bench.
Yeah, I told you we'd see some.
It's getting full very quickly, to the point everyone's just parking in front of each other. But there's no way we're leaving today. And they're all still coming in.
This is my bracket.
Yeah, this is your style.
This is my bracket.
I'm Jaff, he's American. I don't really know much about this, he can probably tell you everything about it. These don't need seatbelts. Is it because it's so old, like you don't need seatbelts on it? I know it hasn't.
It's only a show. Oh no, there they are.
It's a 4-speed as well, 4-speed dog box. That's so cool. Sorry for videoing people's plates, but this is how much it cost a pretty penny. It's a clean FD. I like white, they just stand out on Jack cars, don't they? Like white FD, white Civic. This is probably the cleanest one at the meet. That ITB's and Jesus wept, this must have cost thousands. I'd probably be willing to bet this cost more than my GTR. How much he spent on that?
200 mils of oil.
Honestly, I want to find the owner of this and ask him. The owner of this one, you're into there. Chunk JD, that one. If you're watching, message me because I want to do a feature on this. This is super clean, and if he's willing to, I want to know how much it's cost him, because this is mad, absolutely mad. on his Insta and it said 9,100 RPM at 300 horsepower. Like, for a Civic, that's, and it's ITBs, it's non-turbo. That's insane. 9,100 RPM. That must be so fun to drive.
I want to know what it does.
Yeah, I want to hear it. I really want to try finding who it
I don't
is.
think he's going to do it.
Yeah, he competed at Santa Pod. What did you say? Second
Second place best in show.
second place best in show. I don't know how this got second. I want to see the guy who got first if it is, but that's so cool. Some just pure stouty boy. And it's got a turbo. It's pretty clean. I mean, these things are light anyway. I had an MX-5 before and they break wheels all the time, so having a turbo on this, I'm saying, depending on the pressure, it looks like a small turbo. It's probably 250, but it'll have more torque on it, so breaking the wheels on this will just be so easy. This will be so fun to drive. This is what lockdown does to you. That's what that is. In 10 years, when someone says, "How was lockdown?" you just show them this. I need one of these for my car. Save speeding tickets. It's got like the fans and that underneath the steering wheel and a gauge underneath there. That's mad. I've never seen anything like that. Where the trans tunnel comes out so wide. Your legs just like your knees would be together, like you know how like
literally like lying in it.
Yeah, how like F1 drivers have they have like a foam pad in between their knees, and you're probably just like that, rattling the whole time. It's pretty cool though. Keeping it clean would be a nightmare. Evo 5, Evo 5. So I was walking down here, and you notice the white one. The white one's just so much cleaner. I mean, blue's one of my favourite colours, but it's just the white stands out so much more. I didn't even notice the blue until I walked past it. Evo 5's an amazing car. I've got to own one day. I haven't even drove or been in one yet. Anyone wants to take me out in one or lend me it for a day, do a swap for a GTR. So this is hand built from the bulkhead forward. So from there forward, everything is hand built. Every panel, every single mechanical bit on it.
Unfortunately, a lot of them end up being the fucking Honda guys. Like, you get a lot of Honda fucking gatekeepers, and a lot of those who want to test that like VTEC is the best thing on the fucking planet.
Yeah.
But like,
I give my opinion, but that's just my personal opinion. I don't shit on people.
no, it's like
I'm just like, it's nice, but I wouldn't do it myself.
Yeah.
But it's nice to see, because if everyone does the same, it would just be boring.
isn't it? It's like how we took the piss out of the Little Mermaid MX-5. Looked fucking sick, but yeah, like we took the piss out of it, but there's nothing wrong with it. It was cool.
Yeah. That poor guy, the guy who drove it, and it was the guy that got in and started
lanky
this.
guy, yeah.
And I was like,
I don't
mate,
wanna
I'm
get
so
back in
sorry.
it.
I'm like, wait till the video. I'm sorry for shitting on your car.
Little Mermaid drives a compact, like. But it sounded fucking sick though, because he revved it on the way out, didn't it?
Yeah.
It sounded fucking sick.
Thing is, I love the turbo noise, but you can't really hear it because of the exhaust.
Yeah, because of the pop pop pop.
That's me done. Some pretty cool cars there, some stuff I haven't seen before. That Pontiac Firebird, that was awesome. It's got me wanting to go and see some more American stuff now, so maybe we'll head over to Sunspot at some point this year, try and get some American meets. They're awesome cars. They just look amazing, but it's like a car like that you drive a couple times a year in good weather. Like, you don't take it out in bad weather. You want to keep it clean. Like, that is, you keep restored and just nice and respect and just like the car. I mean, don't just garage it all the time. You got to drive it. Just pick your times to drive it. It was an awesome car. Like that Civic that stood out. It was the real clean build. You know, that was awesome. There was an FD there which is pretty stock. It's really rare to see a stock FD. Apparently that MR2 that was there, the red MR2, was a V6 supercharged. It's just a full beast of a track car, which hopefully will be at Summer Action Day, which we are going to Summer Action Day this year. I've got a show stand ticket thing, so we'll be at Summer Action Day. The ESTA team won't be there, but I'll be there in this GTR. Yeah, I mean, as you saw, Skip's Skyline was there again. Mark in his purple Skyline. He actually put me on to MGT Motorsport that sorted out the S13. They're great guys. They sorted it out. They do great work. I can't thank Garth enough there. If you've got an RB or Skyline or Nissan or anything, he's got a mega high horsepower Mustang there as well, which I didn't even know about. Apparently it's undercover, so I missed that when I was there. So any work you need on like any tuning or anything, Garth at MGT Motorsport is the place to go. So yeah, Mark, Skip Skyline, he put me onto them, and we both said we won't take our RB anywhere else now. I mean, my R35 I'm going to take to Litchfield because I live less than half a mile from Litchfield, so it's just easier, whereas MGT's like over an hour away from me. But definitely my RB in the SRT I'm going to take to MGT. They're great guys, they do great work. So yeah, overall it was a good day. It's sort of like midday now, it's Cars and Coffee done. We'll try and get some more this year. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.